In this video, we will show how to install Charles Proxy. You begin by going to the website charlesproxy.com as shown, and then click on the Download tab, and then select the package that is correct for your system. Here we're going to download the Windows 64-bit installer. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up the installer and run it. Just choose the defaults. Now we'll go ahead and launch Charles. This is the default display. I'm going to bring up the browser and just choose a tab. You'll see some web requests going over the network. Expand it to see the events. On the right hand side you can choose the request and then the response pane. Very handy. You can click the little broom to clear the display. And while you're here, you probably want to install the Charles root certificate on your local machine. So from the help menu, choose SSL proxying, install Charles root certificate, install certificate, go through the prompts. Probably a good idea to reboot after this. The next video will show how to use Charles with a mobile device.